only has 2 mattes and the rest are shimmer. I'm just gonna go in with 2. I'm gonna go in with this blue one right here and then probably one of these light shimmers for the lid. Let's see how these blend. And I'm gonna go in with the Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending. I'm just packing it on and then blending since it is large. I'm just packing it first. But I mean, I thought like it was gonna be like Woo Intense, but it's buildable. So if you want it intense, you can build it up, or a nice soft blue, which I like. I don't want it too much. See, really pretty soft blue. I like it. So the shadow blended out nice, and the brush blended it out nice. So that's a win-win. Luxie brush is always good though. And then I'm gonna take this Luxie 246 Precision brush for the lid, and let's see which one should I use. Pretty good. I like it. Alright, let's do the other eye. I'll be right back. Alright, I cleaned out the 246 precision brush that I use in the lid, and now I'm going to use it for the inner corner to add Enchantress, which is this one right here. So this one, Queen. Wait, where's Queen? So Queen I use on my lid. This one I use in my crease, and then I'm going to use this one for the inner corner. Nice soft glow to the inner corner. Alright, now for my lips. I'm going to be using the Peel gel liner as a lip liner, and I'm going to top it off with Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Gloss. Let's see it. So this is the tip right here. I love gel ones. Come on, there you go. That's the tip. And this is the shade. A pretty brown. I'm gonna try to blend that in with this gloss. Feels nice and smooth, which I love. I hate dry liners. And now with that Mother of Pearl gloss. It feels nice and creamy. Actually, it doesn't feel like a gloss at all. But it doesn't feel sticky. Nice and smooth. Alright, so this is the look I created. I think I need more blush. This is the Luxie Unleash Your True Beauty by Being Kind to the Earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful. So they're recyclable brushes, and it comes with 3, which is the ones I used already. The Luxie 510 foundation brush. I love the way it applied the foundation, and I used my favorite Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation Hydrating Serum. It's so good, and it's only $7. So it was streakless. I love the way it applied. It actually applied the mask good too. Use it for both. So I come with these 3, and the Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending Brush, which I did the blue, and then the Luxie 246 Precision crease, which I applied for the lid in the inner corner. And these 3 retail for $30. Whoa. But I always love Luxie brushes. Next, we got the Elmer's Superfood Visual Veggie Mask. Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask. And this one retails for $35. I used it before the makeup. Didn't really notice a difference, but I just used it for 10 minutes first time, so. Got that, and then we got the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. I love the packaging. so smooth. It's like, it looks like wood, and it feels like hard. And then I love that it has a mirror, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shadows. 2 of them are mattes, and then the rest are shimmer shades. So I use, oh crap, I just dug my freaking nail on the shadow. I think it's a shimmer one. So I use Femi Fatal on the crease, which is this blue one right here. And then I use Queen on my lid, Queen, and then Enchantress in the inner corner. Really light. And then, of course, these 2. Oh, actually, hold on. This one retails for $32. And then we got the Appeal Gel Liner. I got it in Desert Top. This is a line and define your eyes or lips with our new gel liner. Really creamy. Really, I like the shade because it can go with anything pretty much. And then I top it off with Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Gloss. Oh, Senorita. That's the shade of it. Senorita. This gloss feels so smooth. Creamy. Not sticky at all. Yes. This one, oh, hold on. Gel liner retails for 21 bucks. Dang. And then the Mother of Pearl Gloss retails for 10. Dang, this thing's cheaper than that. But I like this one. So this is variation number 2 box. See, this is the variation number right here, number 2. And then you can get all this for 21 bucks. And this is retails for 128. 128. And all you do is pay $21. So that completes this video. I love the way the look came out. Got my lashes done. Can you believe it? I don't have to worry about lash falsies. Yes, I'm so excited about that. Anyways, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Oh my gosh. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Give a video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, please. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.